In a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush fields, there lived a farmer named John and his young son, Tim. John was a hardworking man, tending to his crops and livestock day in and day out. Tim, on the other hand, seemed indifferent to the farm's daily chores and often complained about the repetitive nature of his life. One sunny morning, as John and Tim were tending to the animals, Tim's lackadaisical attitude became apparent once again. He mumbled about how he felt his life was useless, and that all he did was care for the animals without any real purpose. John, a wise and patient man, decided it was time to teach his son an important lesson about the value of life and compassion. He smiled gently at Tim and said, "Son, I understand how you might feel that way sometimes. But let me show you something." He led Tim to a small, secluded area of the farm, where a hen to her eggs. John pointed to the hen and said, "This hen has been sitting on her eggs for weeks, patiently waiting for them to hatch. She knows that by taking care of them, she is giving life a chance to flourish." Tim observed the hen and asked, "But what's so special about that, Dad?" "It's just a bunch of eggs." John picked up one of the eggs and held it gently in his hand. "Yes, these may seem like ordinary eggs, but within them lies the miracle of life. If we take care of them, these eggs will hatch into little chicks, and each one will grow up to be a part of our farm, contributing in its own unique way." Tim seemed intrigued but still unsure of the lesson his father was trying to impart. John continued, "Every life, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, holds value and purpose. It's not just about the chickens or the crop life in all its forms." To demonstrate his point further, John took Tim to a nearby pond where they sat quietly, observing the ducks gliding gracefully across the water. Among them was a small, injured duckling struggling to keep up with its siblings. "Do you see that duckling, Tim?" John asked. Tim nodded. "Yes, Dad. It looks hurt and weak." "That's right," John replied. "And while it may seem like a small and insignificant life, it still matters. Let's help it." He gently scooped up the duckling and took it back to the farmhouse. Over the next few days, John and Tim tended to the duckling, nursing it back to health. Tim watched as the little creature slowly regained its strength and joined its siblings in the pond once again. As the duckling happily quacked and swam with its family, Tim realized the true and compassion and care could make a difference in even the smallest and seemingly useless life. From that day on, Tim changed his perspective and actively participated in the daily chores of the farm. He no longer felt that his life was pointless, understanding that his actions, no matter how small, contributed to the well-being of all living beings around him. And so, the farmer's lesson on the value of life and compassion had a profound impact on Tim's character, and he grew up to be a responsible and caring individual, spreading kindness and understanding wherever he went. The farm prospered not just in its harvest but in the compassion and love that surrounded every aspect of its existence. Once upon a time, a village nestled between lush mountains and winding rivers, there lived a young man named Hero. Hero had a big dream to become a skilled martial artist and bring honor to his family. Hero had a big dream to become a skilled martial artist and bring honor to his family.